These kids work hard to belong. At corporate day, the Dahua MENA team witnessed their challenges, raw and real. It moved us, humbled us, and sparked action. Together, even small efforts ignite change.
I joined Noor since I was small, since I was a student. Interacting with the students in a way that they have more experience in any other activities, like to have a smile at their faces for what they do.
Children, the students, this determination and their heart even encouraged me. In the future, even we face any challenges, we are not afraid.
I'm really proud that Dahua, as our organization, it's also really thinking and also playing a role in supporting the society. So thanks so much again for giving us this kind of opportunity.
Dahua is not only a high-tech company, but also a company who cares about the social responsibility. And this event also enhanced our belief that the technology can really improve the quality of people's life. It's an unforgettable and inspiring experience.